if you looked at the PDF, there was a problem that was not on the Google Slides, so I'm going to walk through that one. So you have a farmer that plants wheat and barley on his land. So I'm going to let wheat and barley. He can plant up to 8 acres of land with wheat and barley. So when I plant my wheat and barley, then I have 8 acres of land. His use of the necessary pesticides is limited by federal regulations to 10 gallons. Wheat requires 2 gallons and for every acre planted, and barley is 1. And he has to stay under 10. He earns $5,000 for every wheat and $3,000 for every barley. That's how he makes his profit. Okay, so these are the constraints, and so I'm going to graph them, and I'm going to have this to be wheat and this to be barley. And so I have acres and pesticides. Acres and pesticides. Oh, no, wrote it backwards. Acres and pesticides. So if I do my intercepts, if x is 0, y is 8. If y is 0, x is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my acres. That's my acres. And then if x is 0, y is 10. If y is 0, x is 5. I'm going to actually that wasn't a very straight line because I need something. There's my straight line. That will help more. There's one region. And then the next region goes from 10 to 5. Okay, so now we have our barley and our wheat, and this is profit of wheat and barley. Okay, so my corners. I have a corner here. I have a corner here. I have a corner here. And I have a corner here because the intersection of this is this area right here. So I'm going to use my corners. I'm going to use 0, 8. I'm going to use 2, 6. I'm going to use 5, 0. And I'm going to use 0, 0. And the way I make money is 5,000 x plus 3,000 y. And that will give me my profit. So if I put 0 here, and then that's 3,000 times 8, which is 24,000. I do 5,000 times 2 plus 3,000 times 6, 10,000 plus 18,000 gives me 28,000. $5,000 times 5 plus 0 is 25,000. And 0 is 0. And I look at here and I say this is my min and this is my max. So my min is 0 when x is 0 and y is 0. My max is 28,000 when x was 2 and y is 6. And then 2 is 2 wheat acres and 6 barley acres. And that would be another scenario of linear programming.